Well, a little active weather this morning. Early before sunrise, we saw a couple of showers, some downpours in the overnight, but now things are starting to dry out. Our overall weather the next few days, pretty dry and hot. Matter of fact, take a look at these forecast lows and highs in San Angelo and across the Concho Valley. Tomorrow morning, 68 to 93. Going to be hot, but it gets even hotter. It goes up a level Wednesday and Thursday, where thermometer temperatures, the actual air temperature will be up to about 100 to 102 Wednesday and nearly up to 105 Thursday afternoon. You know, astronomical summer begins on June 21st. We're not even technically into the summer season. Obviously, it's June, but man, this is very hot air on the way the next couple of afternoons. So we'll talk about that in a second. All right, so take a look, 24-hour rain estimates. This was primarily earlier this morning in the overnight hours, so most of today has been relatively dry, some passing isolated showers during the day, but mainly in the morning. Take a look at some of these across Tom Green County. You know, in some isolated pockets between Paint Rock, San Angelo, down towards Highway 83, up towards Robert Lee, there have been a few pockets of rain that measured up to anywhere from 1.5 to 2 inches of rain, but that's very localized. Most areas in these light blue teal colors on the range of maybe a tenth to a half an inch of rain, in some areas a little bit more. But yeah, it was very scattered early this morning. Tonight through tomorrow, a very general storm risk, and it mainly shifts south the next couple of days as a frontal boundary moves south, and that interacts with some tropical moisture from the Gulf. Let's talk about what's happening on our forecast. Here's tomorrow morning, maybe 1 or 2 isolated areas of rain towards Texas 71 by sunrise tomorrow, and then maybe an isolated downpour during the day, but yeah, most of us staying dry and highs in the lower to middle 90s. Same thing in the Wednesday, mostly clear, heaviest rain to the south. And then by Thursday night and Friday, we're going to watch another weak disturbance moving from the north, and that could generate our next round of rain into Friday. Meantime, temperatures tomorrow morning waking up to upper 60s to lower 70s, a little cooler compared to last week in the overnights, but still pretty mild. Daytime highs lower 90s to upper 80s, depending on when exactly the cloud cover clears, but overall going to be a hot and sunny day tomorrow most of the day. And here's winds. Nothing too windy, anywhere from 5 to 15 miles per hour, a light breeze at best. And overall, you know, we're in a pattern where the ridge tries to drive in from the south, and we also have these disturbances dropping in from the north. So it's a collision between pressure systems, and that creates just chances for rain. Nothing too impressive in our local area around the Concho Valley. All right, take a look at your 7-day tomorrow, 93, and we climb. 102 Wednesday, 105 Thursday. Take breaks, find shade, drink plenty of water, stay hydrated. Next couple of days, very hot for June standards, at least early June standards, right? 89 Friday, scattered storms in the morning and afternoon. Weekend time frame looks decent, middle 90s to near 100 near Saturday, Sunday, and Monday.